Good day, Gary from G&H Honey Bees, 2nd of June 2022. And I'm trying a different thing for my camera. I've got a headband on, and it's on over top of my veil. I just want to see if it works any better than trying to use a stand. So anyway, there's been some issues with this Hive 3, and it was 3 weeks ago. I looked in here and I saw absolutely no eggs whatsoever. The queen had just suddenly stopped laying eggs. So I hope the camera's seeing what I'm looking at right at the moment. But these are, that's heavy. See if I can get one of them out there. So these are all brand new frames. They've got them drawn out, filled with nectar. Yeah, they even got a little bit of it capped. Frame next to it, it's got some cappings on it. But anyway, back to what I was saying. The queen had quit laying, and I really don't know why. I think maybe they were in swarm mode, and I know that they stop laying eggs when they're in swarm mode. So I was looking for swarm cells, but I didn't find any. But I did find supersedure cells. Now, the queen that was in here, she was only last July. She was born last July. So you can see that, that's all nectar. Yeah, they've got some of that capped as well. So anyway, she was born last July. So she should have been a good viable queen, and I mean she was doing a bang up job of filling this box with bees. See, they're getting that one drawn out on the bottom there. Some capped honey at the top, that's full of nectar. You see lots of drones in there. So anyway, I guess the last time we had good weather, it's been a while since I've been in here, so I guess it was 10 days ago I looked in here, and there was 3 frames that had supersedure cells on it. So I took 2 of them frames out and put them in a nuke, and I'll go on about that nuke on another video. Yeah, I see no eggs still, but I don't think they have a queen yet. So it's either the next frame or the next frame over had like 9 supersedure cells on it. I don't see any cells of any kind there. Oh, there's one there. Alright, so there's a hatched queen in here. You can see that cell right there. There's a bee in there cleaning it out. So there's one. There's another one there. Completely empty. So there's at least one virgin queen running around in here. Oh, there's another cell there. Another cell there they've chewed down. She must have killed that one. Oh, and there's one there that hasn't opened yet. And it's getting a little dark on that one side there. So she hasn't gotten around to killing that one yet. So maybe I can stick this frame in a nuke. And there's more cells there. Oh, that one there is getting really thin on the end. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. But that one's about ready to hatch too. There's another one that's been chewed out. Right there. I'd like to be able to spot her. As long as they didn't fight each other and kill each other, that's the big thing. But I think I'm going to take this frame and put it in a nuke. Do that right now. Make sure I don't see this virgin queen on there first though. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got 2 empty frames. I've put them in there. And I'm just going to put the top back on here. There's the lid. I can get out of there. Okay, got the lid on that. And I want to set this nuke just right over here. I know some of these will probably fly back to their home, but I want to have another good look, make sure I didn't pull the virgin queen out of the main colony. Yeah, I see no signs on this one. And it's clouding over, it's going to rain again. No, I see no sign of the queen on there. Let's just have a look at the one that's got the queen cells on it. I should actually put that one. Yeah, we'll put it in the middle. Wind is picking up. What's that in there? Is that just a worker? Yeah, that's just a young worker. Yeah, I see no sign of a queen anywhere in this frame. So I'm going to put them in the middle. And I'm going to put this honey frame in here so that they have some food stores. And I have to get a lid and we'll seal them up. So give me a minute. Alright, so I got a pollen patty here. Stick that. It's just a piece of a pollen patty, it's not a full thing. I'll just give them something to chew on. And I'll get a lid on them. Oh yeah, I got the lid here. And I'm going to give them a little bit of sugar water. And Bob's your uncle. There. I think that's the right lid for that. Yep. Alright, I might not leave them sit there. Might get another stand and put it somewhere else for the time being. I'm not quite sure where. Even as wet and cold as it's been, everything's growing up. You can see this tall plant here with the stick in the middle of it. That's fireweed that we started growing a couple of years ago, but it's getting bigger every year. That's the same stuff that we take the bees up to the bush to get. But we have parsley and mint and onions and arugula, and I think that at the back there with the long green and dark green leaves is kale. And we have black-eyed Susans growing here in the front of this bed. And of course we got raspberries, a few strawberries, and bushes. The purple stuff at the back there, that's bachelor button. Anyway, maybe I can stick them in here. I'll get another stand and put them in here temporarily until we figure out what to do with them. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video. This new vision, I guess you might call it, vision or outlook on how I'm going to film bee videos from now on. And I hope you're all having a good day, and we'll get back to you. We'll see how these nukes go now. Alright, bye for now.